បាទសូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកជប់លៀងនៅក្នុងសួនច្បារមួយក្នុងទីក្រុង Auburn រដ្ឋ Washington State ហើយមានជនជាតិអាមេរិកកាំងដែលគេបើកម៉ូតូបាទម៉ូតូនេះគឺជាម៉ូតូទំនើបសម័យថ្មីរបស់សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកហ្នឹងណារបស់អាមេរិកហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងសម្ភាសពួកគាត់ម្ដងមួយហើយខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញម៉ូតូដល់ប្រិយមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីឲ្យប្រិយមិត្តនឹងឃើញថាតើម៉ូតូនៅក្នុងសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកនឹងគេបើកម៉ូតូរបៀបណាបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមបងប្អូនមេត្តាទស្សនាដូចតទៅបាទអូខេ Hello
How's it going?
good how are you doing how long have you been driving motorcycle
40 years.
40 years experience 40 years oh my god that's a long time huh? I like to drive motorcycle but I don't know how to drive motorcycle wow this looks so amazing huh? So the motorcycle is called Harley Division.
Yep.
Wow, very nice. It's different from Cambodia. Yeah, Cambodia they have a small, this probably they call scooter in Cambodia, but in United States they drive, like a kind like a heavy duty motorcycle and faster. How fast it go?
This will do about 120.
120 miles per hour, right?
Yep.
So that is like 200 something kilometers per hour, right? 240.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, you're gonna be on my channel now, okay?
All right.
Alright, next. Okay. នេះគឺជាម៉ូតូបាទម៉ូតូទំនើបដែលបងប្អូនប្រហែលជាមិនដែលឃើញទេនៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរក៏ដូចជានៅកម្ពុជាក្រមហ្នឹងណាមិនដែលឃើញម៉ូតូរបៀបអញ្ចឹងទេបាទហើយចំណែកមួយនេះក៏ដូចគ្នាដែរគឺម៉ូតូទំនើបឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងចាំងឲ្យបងប្អូនឃើញណាចាំងឲ្យបងប្អូនឃើញខ្ញុំនឹងសម្ភាសពួកគាត់បាទខ្ញុំនឹងសម្ភាសពួកគាត់ដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនឃើញថាតើនៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកគេបើកម៉ូតូរបៀបណាបាទ
You want an Indian. An Indian's a good motorcycle.
Yeah okay so I'm Cambodian
Yeah?
Cambodian so in Cambodia they have a small bike small bike and this bike is very big really big and strong and really fast so this is I want a camcord the instrument
Oh yes,
Yeah.
it's all touch screen.
all touch screen
Yeah, and then you can change it up here on your controls so the screen changes too.
oh my god that's so nice wow
It does a lot of things. You got like heated grips, heated seats. You got like rain mode, standard, sport, traction control,
wow
notifications. You can go and you can change everything.
They're set up like basically like a car. It's like Bluetooth and everything.
Yeah,
Wow.
you can deactivate cylinders and all sorts of stuff.
oh my god so amazing
Yeah, you can do everything.
wow and this one have navigator and stuff like that right
Yeah, so like you got map.
wow
And when
that's
your
so
gas
amazing.
mileage gets low, it'll ask you if you're nearest gas station and it'll map it.
Yeah.
So you click yes and it'll take you to the closest spot to get gas.
oh
You've
my
got like
God.
your music, your phone calls,
wow
all like your oil and battery and everything, your
Yeah.
temperature, miles per hour with your gear and all that, your tire PSI front and rear.
wow
And then you've got like all your pockets and stuff.
oh pencil speakers
Charger. And it's all waterproof too.
waterproof too
Yeah. So like I can spray my whole bike down with soap and water. Oh, check this out. You ready?
yeah wow
You can raise your windshield and everything.
wow that's so nice
Indian's got a patent.
And then you've got cruise control.
cruise
You've
control.
got your speakers and everything.
Wow. And your phone is right there too.
Yeah, it sits and twists, does whatever I need it to do.
Oh my god. That is so cool. Really, really cool.
And then this is all like, I can lock it
oh.
and then unlock it.
Oh my god.
So, and then there's chargers and stuff in here underneath.
Oh, there's a charger in here too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Lots
And
of different
how many
stuff.
cylinders is this?
All right, bro.
2.
Good to see
Okay.
you. I gotta roll.
You got a roll? I'm going to, okay.
Yeah, we gotta roll. So
Yeah, okay, so this one is
that's a Harley.
Harley, right? And this one Harley too?
Indian.
Indian? How about this one?
Indian.
Wow, oh my god, there's another one, huh? Wow. Almost the same thing like that one, right?
Yeah, this one's better.
Better? I didn't know that. Yeah. Alright,
What's
cheers.
up, bro?
Okay, much love, okay? Thank you very much. Nice. Okay.
You have a good weekend.
Okay,
Talk
you
to
too.
later, bro.
Talk to you later.
Hey,
Thank
guys,
you.
come up to the clubhouse, okay?
Okay.
Come out. Check when we get hold of you.
Okay, okay,
We have
okay.
a clubhouse. You have a good time.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, I wanna see how you drive. Okay. Tàu ấy. Còn xi măng được khăn ra nữa mà mọi tàu ấy. Wow. Tàu ấy. Wow. Vàនៅសមរិចនឹងគេបើកម៉ូតូរបៀបអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនម៉ូតូនៅសមរិចហ្នឹងបើម៉ូតូនៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងផ្សេងបងប្អូនអត់មានដូចជានៅសមរិចនោះទេម៉ូតូស្រុកយើងទូហ្នឹងអានេះធំមែនតើណាធំមហាធំហ្មងបាទហើយពងស្មាំងវាលឺសូរខ្លាំងជាងពងស្មាំងឡានទៀតបាទដល់ហើយប្រាណម៉ូតូមួយម៉ូតូហ្នឹងស្លាប់ពីរងណាវ៉ាវអូយដល់ហើយបងប្អូនឥឡូវខ្ញុំមកឡានខ្ញុំម្ដងអូយចូលឡាននេះបាទសូមអរគុណច្រើនហើយបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកជប់ភ្លៀងមកជប់ភ្លៀងនៅកន្លែងផកមួយគេហៅថាផកហ្នឹងមានកន្លែងទាត់បាល់មានកន្លែងលេងបាល់លេងអីនៅខាងមុខបាទបុគ្គលិកគេមកជប់ភ្លៀងនៅហ្នឹងហើយដូច្នេះហើយខ្ញុំគេហៅថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងសម្រាប់ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំក៏មកជាមួយគេផងដែរគេហៅមកអញ្ចឹងទៅយើងមកហូបអីអញ្ចឹងទៅគេអាំងសាច់អាំងអីអញ្ចឹងឆ្ងាញ់ប៉ុនគេមួយយ៉ាងដែរបងប្អូនបាទឆ្ងាញ់មួយយ៉ាងដែរដល់ពេលគេហៅថាយូរអញ្ចឹងយើងមកលេងម្ដងអញ្ចឹងគេហៅថាសប្បាយដែរជួបជុំបងប្អូនបាទជួបជុំបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងណាបងប្អូនគេហៅថាខ្មែរផងអាមេរិកកាំងផងយើងមកជួបជុំគ្នាបាទជួបជុំគ្នាហ្នឹងគេហូបអីអញ្ចឹងទៅបាទហូបអាំងសាច់គោសាច់មាន់សាច់អីអញ្ចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងទៅឃើញថាសប្បាយដែរយូរម្ដងមួយឆ្នាំម្ដងអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនហើយដូច្នេះហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនឃើញនូវទស្សនវិជ្ជាទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងបាទមិញហ្នឹងខ្ញុំក៏បានធ្វើការ live ដែរប៉ុន្តែlive បន្តិចអញ្ចឹងទៅឥឡូវហ្នឹងគេទៅតែអស់ហើយបាទខ្ញុំចឹងគេហៅថាវីដេអូឃ្លីបមួយនេះខ្ញុំសូមនិយាយតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយខ្ញុំសន្យាថានឹងជួបគ្នាថ្ងៃក្រោយទៀតបាទសូមអរគុណច្រើនសូមជម្រាបលាបាទក្រោយនេះចង់បង្ហាញម៉ូតូទេវីដេអូឃ្លីបនេះក្រោយនេះចង់បង្ហាញម៉ូតូថាតើម៉ូតូនៅស្រុកអាមេរិកនេះហើយនឹងម៉ូតូនៅស្រុកខ្មែររបៀបណាតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេបងប្អូនអត់មានអីក្រៅពីនឹងទេណាបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបាទសូមអរគុណច្រើនសូមជម្រាបលាបាទ